Greetings! We welcome you to Airtel Marathon 2022-23. I am Aparna and these are my teammates Lesha and Kiran.
The theme we have chosen to work on is environment and climate sustainability.
Our project is to plan and prepare a proposal to introduce cycling paths made using recycled plastic and cycle stands in Mysore to promote cycling and thereby reduce pollution caused by vehicles.
WHO estimates that around 7 million people die every year from exposure to fine particles in polluted air.
As of 2021, India is the third largest carbon dioxide emitting country in the world, and we have the fifth worst air quality, according to a survey in 2021.
Delhi is currently the world's most polluted capital city. In 2019, 1.67 million deaths in India were linked to air pollution. 1 in 8 deaths in India is associated with air pollution right now. It is high time that the situation changes.
Cycling possesses a number of benefits, both for our physical health and for the environment.
Cycling paths and stands have previously been developed around the world, and we have found evidence to support our proposal. Countries like the Netherlands, Denmark, and Germany have been successful in developing good cycling infrastructure. The G20 nations are also trying to promote this. We want to use a similar strategy to bring forth change in our nation, starting with our home city.
We plan to initiate this project with cycling paths on 105 kilometers of road in Mysore. We have located 25 areas to set up cycle stands. We will also be providing water facilities and first aid kits in the stands exclusively for cyclists.
To take this one step further, we are proposing that these cycling tracks be made entirely out of recycled plastic. We want to use materials similar to plastic pavement blocks. The total budget we are proposing is Rs 34.78 crores.
With our project, we hope to bring forth change in society because as our technology evolves, nature pays the cost.
People also have grown dependent on devices where physical effort is minimal, and we must come out to this shell.
All three of us have worked collaboratively and evenly participated in researching and documenting our work.
Thank you.